The future can sometimes look like a scary place. People are worried about robots and artificial intelligence replacing humans. How will you fit into this unknown future? El Camino College has developed a comprehensive robotics program, one that will prepare you for the future and allow you to enter any part of the robotics industry. We're offering state-of-the-art robotics labs, R&D capabilities, industrial robots, underwater robots, industry-recognized certifications, and resources to support you, including a robotics library collection that is unmatched. The best part? You don't need any previous experience. Don't fear the unknown. Be a part of this exciting new future. Begin your journey with the El Camino College Robotics program today.